How to stay out of jail on Super Bowl Sunday. We got the Super Bowl coming up. Buccaneers. All right. It's coming. It's coming to Tampa. Did I think when I was wearing this? I mean, yeah. I'm probably not wearing this now because I think I was like 6 years old. Little baby William S. Foley was wearing this. Did I ever think the Bucs were going to be coming to Tampa to play in the Super Bowl in Tampa? It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. But it's coming this Sunday. So timely video, because we see this a lot of times with all different types of big events, right? And not just big events, but big holidays. Christmas, New Year's Eve. It's everybody wants to have an epic time, and especially everything going on this year, and last year. People want to have a good time, and there's been a lot of suggestions out there as far as parties and things of that nature. But I think we all know that people are going to find a way to celebrate, in such a big celebratory type of situation like a Super Bowl. Hopefully they do it safely, and obviously that's my hope as well. But so where does it come up from? I'm a Florida divorce lawyer, William S. Foley, PA, Foley Divorce. I do only divorce and family law matters, but I see a lot of stuff after, kind of big events, big holidays, New Year's Eve. We get a lot of calls, some of them from jail. So we want to make sure that people understand that this is a time that you can have a great time, cheer on your team, be responsible. But this is also a time when people make some really, 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 really bad decisions. So don't find yourself in the back of a cop car and not a criminal defense attorney. Talk to some other people about that. I'm talking about the custody side of things. We see a lot of injunctions after big events, big holidays, especially if there's a lot of drinking going on involved, and people are impaired and they just make really bad decisions. So be careful. You don't want an Amber Alert on everybody's iPhone in Florida to be buzzing and going crazy because you made some, ridiculous decision during the Super Bowl or did something you shouldn't have done because, maybe you were a little bit more intoxicated than you planned on that day. So be careful. We don't have Gasparilla this year here in Tampa. It's coming up in April, but usually it's in January. But we got the Super Bowl and the Bucs. The Bucs, baby. No risk it, no biscuit, right? They're here. But celebrate it responsibly. Don't find yourself in jail. Don't make it another reason for part of your divorce or your custody dispute or anything and somebody to use something against you. I know everybody's excited. Tampa is going absolutely nuts about it right now. But be responsible. Stay out of jail. You don't want to be on there on Super Bowl Sunday, and you don't want to be on there on Monday. So be safe. Thank you. Go Bucs.